Have you ever felt like your hair just hasn't been the same since your last haircut? It looks okay, but something feels off and you can't put your finger on it. You're going to want to stick around until the end because you're going to learn the 3 biggest signs your hair has been over-thinned and what you can do to start to fix it. This is something a lot of people experience, but they don't always connect it to the haircut. They think, is my hair changing? Their products might have stopped working, or they just can't style it the same anymore. But often, it all traces back to what happened during their last haircut appointment. Here's the tricky part. Over-thinning doesn't always show up immediately. At first, everything looks fine. But as you start living with your hair, the problems start to appear. Your ends start feeling thin or stringy. Instead of feeling soft and full, they feel separated, almost like there's nothing there. Your hair won't hold a style. You curl it, it falls out. You smooth it, it puffs back up. Because the structure that helps hold the shape has been removed. You start to notice more frizz, especially at the ends. Not at the roots, not throughout the whole head, but right where the hair was thinned. Look, these are not random problems. They are all connected to structure. So, what can you do? First, you have to give it time to grow out. Second, focus on supportive styling techniques. And third, make sure your next haircut is done with intention. Because once the structure is rebuilt, everything will improve. Hair can recover, but it needs the right approach. As your hair grows and is reshaped correctly, you're going to start noticing stuff. You're going to notice more fullness, better control, and easier styling. Most importantly, your confidence is going to come back. So if your hair hasn't felt the same lately, look at the ends. Look at how it behaves. The answer is usually there. If you want help figuring out what your hair needs right now, my Good Hair Day Emergency Kit will guide you step by step. Link is below in the show notes. Always remember, when you know better, you do better.